Hey guys, let's take a look at this 2018 Kia Stinger GT1 rear wheel drive, black over a red leather interior package, 19-inch wheels, like a gray with alloy, no curbing, 70 to 75% tread wear average. It's got 41,364 miles, which you can see there's some chips here on the hood, which if you live in Florida, you know is very common. On the passenger side, there's no dents or dings or scratches. Again, the wheels are flawless. Tailgate's in great shape, rear bumper's in good shape. No scratches or chips, dings. None on the driver's side either. It has the Brembo brake package. Large sunroof. Roof's in good shape. Let's take a look at the red interior. All right. Red interior on this 18 Kia Stinger. And some slight wear there on the bolster. Passenger side seat, no wear, rips, tears, holes. Leather's in good shape. Back seat. Doesn't seem like it's seen a whole lot of action back here, guys. The leather's in great shape. No rips or tears. Nothing to talk about back there. Hey guys, let's do a startup on this 18 Kia Stinger. As you can see, she has paddle shifters, red stitching in the steering wheel. As I said, 41,364 miles. There are 5 settings for drive. There's Comfort, Eco, Smart, Sport, and Custom. Those modes also show up here at the top of your big screen. It has navigation, as you can see, Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Clean interior. Does have the auto hold setting and heated seats in the front, parking sensors front and rear. Up here you've got your home link, the compass, and it is an auto dimming rear view. It's a beautiful car. Come check it out.